Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by heating a large pot over medium-high heat, add the ground beef and let it brown without crowding. Once the beef releases liquid and turns color, break it up and cook until no pink remains, because proper browning builds depth. Make sure to drain excess fat, but reserve 1 tablespoon for flavor in the pot. Then add the diced onion and minced garlic now, stir, and sauté until the onion is translucent. This creates the aromatic base that carries the chili. Once the aromatics are soft, add your dry spices so they bloom in the oil. This unlocks flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Toast for 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, deglaze with the tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth, scraping brown bits from the pot because those bits are flavor. Add the beans now if using, bring to a simmer, then reduce heat, and let the chili cook gently for 30 to finish, taste and balance. Add salt gradually, and if the chili tastes flat, brighten it with a small splash of vinegar or 1 teaspoon sugar. This makes flavors pop. Once the texture is right, simmer until desired thickness, then remove from heat and let rest 10 minutes so flavors settle. If things go wrong, here's 1 key tip. If the chili is bland, add salt and acid. If too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. Or whisk a 1 teaspoon corn starch slurry into a bit of cold water. Then stir in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.